Hello friends. So today I am feeling very bored and I will not do any maths class today. Okay, fine. So today we will play a game, but not under the sun. So we will go back to my room and we will play a game, a maths game. So let's start. So I am at my house now. So let's start the game. Okay. So if I ask you one question, that what is this in your screen, you may ask, sir, this is a small house or this is a home. Okay, in that case you are right. This is a house. I have made it with the help of matchsticks, but it's not our game. Okay, because it's maths class and we will play a game related to maths, regarding maths only. Actually, for playing this game we need 11 matchsticks. So I was thinking that how should I start the game so that it may look a little bit enjoyable, a little bit beautiful. So I have collected this and I have made this house for you. Okay, so now let's count the matchsticks are okay or not. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. So we have 11 matchsticks. So we will start the game now. So if I ask you one question, that what is this, what is this, what is this, and what is this, you may say, sir, this is a small letter L, or some of you say this is I, sir, and this one is V, maybe capital or maybe small. This one is X, same, maybe capital or it may be small, and this one is capital letter L. But my friend, as I have told you earlier, that we are playing a maths game, so we can't consider this one as I or small letter L, this one as V, this one is X, and this one as capital letter L. So what is it? Okay, I am telling you, I am helping you to do this. This one we will consider as 1. So before starting the game, see, every game has its own rule. So what you need to do, you will pause the video and write down all the rules and all the numbers regarding the letter. Okay, suppose this one is, if you think this one is small letter L, so here L equals to 1, here L equals to 1. Okay, so, or you may think that it is a small letter I, it is I or a small letter L. In that case, this L equals to 1. Okay, so the next one, that is our V, but we will consider this as 5. Okay, so the V equals to 5 and the small letter L equals to 1. The next one is this X. This X will be 10. We will consider the X as 10. Okay, now the last one, this one, and this one we will consider as 50. This one we will consider as 50. Okay, so what to do now? With the help of these alphabets, we will write from 1 to 50. Okay, so how to do it? So for doing this, our rule number 1 is repetition of a Roman numeral means addition. So we will call this numerals as Roman numeral, and repetition of a Roman numeral means addition. That means if I am giving here one matchstick, and after that then I am repeating the 1 twice. Okay, so it will be 2. 1 plus 1 equals to 2, and one more stick I have given here, so it becomes 3. So how to write the 4? Okay, so let's write the 4. See, I have written 4. Is it okay? No, my friends. Yes, the rule is that repetition of a Roman numeral means addition. But there is some restrictions. Okay, so there is some bindings. In school, you are playing, you are reading, but there is some bindings. There is some time bindings. Okay, for playing you may get 30 minutes, for eating foods, for eating your lunches, for eating your aharams, you may get 25 minutes. In this case also we have some bindings. We can't repeat this one more than 3 times. Means আমরা এই 1টাকে 3 বারের বেশি রিপিট করতে পারবো না। ঠিক আছে? So this one is our first restriction. So what is our restriction? The restriction is we can't repeat this one more than 3 times. Okay, so what to do now? Okay, so before going to the solution, one more thing we know, like this way we can't repeat this x more than 3 minutes, more than 3 times. Okay, that means up to this much we can write 3x's, but not more than 3x's. Okay, so this 1 and this x we will not repeat more than 3 times. So this one is the restriction of rule number 1. Okay, and the last restriction is we will not repeat this 5. Okay, we will not repeat this v more than 3 times, then it will not be applicable. We will not repeat this 1 time also. Okay, this thing will not be repeated. Okay, so let's revise the rule number 1. Our rule number 1 is repetition of a Roman numeral means addition, but there is some restrictions or there is some cautions. Okay, only the 1 and the x, that means the 10, can be repeated, but not more than 3 times. And the second is we can't repeat the v or the 5 one single time also. So let's start the game with this rule. So this one is 1, this one is 2, this one is 3, but we can't give here the 4. So what to do? Here comes the rule number 2. So what is the rule number 2? The rule number 2 is a smaller numeral written to the right. This one will be rule number 3. Okay, so a smaller numeral written to the left of a larger numeral is always subtracted from the larger numeral. Means a smaller numeral, that means this one is a smaller numeral, this one is 1 and this one is 5. So what is the rule? A smaller numeral written to the left of a larger numeral is always subtracted from the larger numeral. That means this smaller numeral which is placed at the left side, অর্থাৎ যে নিউমেরালটাকে আমরা বড় সংখ্যাটার বা larger numeral, that means এটা তো হচ্ছে 5, this one is 5 and we have placed it in the left side. Okay, so it will be subtracted from the larger numeral. বোঝা গেছে কি বলেছি? বলেছি যে ছোট সংখ্যাটা যখন বাদিকে রাখা হচ্ছে তখন বড় সংখ্যা থেকে ছোট সংখ্যাটাকে মাইনাস করতে হবে. That means 5, this one is 5. Okay, I'm moving the camera, and this one is 1. তো আমরা 5 এর পাশে 1 কে রাখলাম. তো এবার 5 এর পাশে 1 কে রাখাতে কি হয়েছে? এবার 5 থেকে 1 কে মাইনাস করব, করে দেই মাইনাস 5 minus 1 equals to 4. Okay, 5 minus 1 equals to 4. তাহলে আমরা আগে কি লিখব? 5 not আমরা লিখব না। ওকে, আমরা এটা জাস্ট গুটিগুলো সাজাবো, জাস্ট ম্যাথ স্টিকগুলো সাজাবো। This one is 5 minus 1 equals to 4. So it has been completed. So 1, 2, 3, 4 we have completed. Okay, now the next one, 5. 5 is very easy. You all know that how to write the 5. This one is 5. Okay, after that, how to write 6? We will add here. Here comes the rule number 2. So what is the rule number 2? A smaller numeral written to the right of a larger numeral is always added to the larger numeral. A small numeral, okay, which is placed at the right of the larger numeral. মানে এটা তো হচ্ছে 1, that means smaller numeral, আর এটা হচ্ছে কি larger numeral. তো এই larger numeralটার ডান দিকে রাইট সাইডে যখন আমরা স্মলার নিউমেরালটাকে রাখবো বা প্লেস করব, তখন এটা কি হবে? এই লার্জার নিউমেরালটার সাথে অ্যাড হবে। বোঝা গেছে? মানে যখন আমরা এটাকে লেফট সাইডে নিচ্ছি তখন হয়ে যাচ্ছে সাবট্রাকশন। ওকে, যখন লেফট সাইডে নিচ্ছি তখন হচ্ছে সাবট্রাকশন, আর যখন রাইট সাইডে নিচ্ছি তখন হয়ে যাচ্ছে এডিশন। হয়ে গেল, ভেরি ইজি রুল। When it is in left, that means it will be subtracted, and when it is in right, then it will be addition. Okay, so now going to the next one, 7, 8, again with the help of rule number 1, repetition of same numeral, and we can repeat this one up to 3 times. These 3 matchsticks up to 3 times. Okay, now 8 has been completed. 8 has been completed. Now how to write 9? We can't write this, that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can't write this because we can't repeat these matchsticks more than 3 times. So here I have repeated 4 times, so it will be eliminated. Okay, if you write this, then you will be given one big cross. So now let's find the solution. Okay, in rule number 3 we have learned that if a smaller numeral placed at the left of the larger numeral, that means it will be subtracted from the larger numeral. Okay, so with the help of this we will do the solution. Okay, one more thing, one more caution is there. We will place this before this one and before the x, before the v and before the x, or before the 5 or before the 10. So if we are writing this one, I'm moving my camera again. If we are writing this one, if we are placing this one, then what it will be? This one is 10 and this one is 1. This one is 10, this one is 1. So what will be there? The smaller numeral placed at the left of the greater numeral will be subtracted from the greater one. That means 10 minus 1 equals to 9. Finished. So 10, I am keeping it here, 10 minus 1 equals to 9. So it is 10 and smaller numeral placed at the left side. So 10 minus 1 equals to 9. So it will be 9. Okay, now we can write, we can make from 1 to 10. So let's check it quickly. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3. We can't repeat, so it will become this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again we can't repeat. Then what to do? Okay, let's make it 9. Okay, 9. Okay, then 10. Now up to 10 we have completed. Now the rule number 4 is coming. For numbers beyond 10, we first write the number in groups of tens and ones and then form the Roman numeral corresponding to the given number. মানে হচ্ছে যে নাম্বারগুলো 10 এর বেশি আছে, 10 এর বেশি আছে, আমরা আগে সেই ক্ষেত্রে 10টা লিখব। ওকে, in groups of tens and ones, tens এ লিখব, তারপর আমরা সেটাকে ones এর গ্রুপে নিয়ে যাব। From the Roman numeral corresponding to the given number, যে নাম্বারটা দেওয়া হবে তার বেসিসে। এটা কিভাবে হচ্ছে এটা পরে বলছি, জাস্ট এখন নাম্বার ফরমেশন করছি। এটা হচ্ছে কি 10। ওকে, 10 plus 1 11, and after that 12, after that 13. Again we can't repeat this more than 3 times, so we will write 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Again we can't repeat. Then what will come? Yes, bus. 19, 20. Okay, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Oh my god, my camera frame is looking smaller to the things. Okay, no need to worry. 28, and after that this one is 20, and 10 minus 1 9, 29, and 30. Okay, after that again with the same process, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Now again we can repeat this, so 39. Now the question arises here again, 40. If we are thinking this is 40, then again a cross is waiting for us. We will be disqualified from the game. Oh my god, so what to do? Because we can't repeat the x more than 3 times. If we repeat the x more than 3 times, then one more x is waiting for us, and it will not good sign for us. This one is a red symbol. So what to do? Let's plan it. Okay, fine, I have the idea. Again we are taking the help of rule number 3. So what was the rule number 3? Again let's revise it. Okay, yes, when the smaller numeral is placed at the left of larger numeral, then it will be minus. Okay, so what to do? We have learned that this one is, what is this? This one is not L, this one is 50. this one is 50. So okay, let's see what we can do. 50 minus, if we do 50 minus 10, then what will be the answer? 50 minus 10 is equals to 40. Problem solved. 50 minus 10 equals to 40. Okay, so we will do it now. Last it was there, the 30 was there, last was the 39, and after that we need to reach here. After 39, oh sorry, it's 29 not 39. Okay, I'm making it 39. Okay, after 39 we need to make it 40. So what will we do? 50 minus 10. Okay, let's do it. 50 minus 10. What to do? With the help of rule number 3, we will write down the 50 at first. Okay, we will write down the 50 at first, and after that we will subtract the 10. For subtracting 10, what will we do? We will use the rule number 3. That means a smaller numeral placed at the left of the larger numeral will be subtracted from the larger numeral. যখন ছোট একটা নিউমেরালকে বড় নিউমেরালের বাঁ পাশে বসানো হবে বা লেফট সাইডে বসানো হবে, তখন ছোট নিউমেরালটা বড় নিউমেরাল থেকে মাইনাস হবে। তো ডান দিকে আছে 50, বাঁ দিকে আছে 10। সো আমরা কি করব? এই 50 থেকে 10 কে মাইনাস করে দেব। 50 থেকে 10 কে মাইনাস করে দে তাড়াতাড়ি, বেশি দেরি করে লাভ নেই। বাস হয়ে গেল। 50 থেকে 10 মাইনাস করে হয়ে গেছে 40. So up to 40 we have finished. Okay, so what you need to do, you will pause the video again and again, you see this and play with these 11 matchsticks. Okay, 11 matchsticks. And okay, fine, one more thing, you need to write the rules. Okay, you need to write the rules in any copy, and with that rule you will play, because any mistake happens you will be disqualified, my friends. So go and start playing now. So no maths for today, only playing is there. Okay, so goodbye. We will do the maths on next day. Today just play. Go.